Anne Arundel County Public Library has over 1 million items, including books, audiobooks, magazines, music, movies, ebooks, e-audiobooks, e-magazines, and streaming movies. We also circulate early learning tablets, Wi-Fi hotspots, Chromebooks, and even fishing poles and ukuleles. To use these items, you have to know how to find them. Today, we're going to do a deeper dive into the catalog search function. To learn how to access the catalog and place holds, please watch our previous video. In our last video, we did a search on a title. You can also search by keyword, title, start of title, series, author, and subject. Let's try searching for one of my favorite subjects, kittens. We'll start by typing kittens in the search bar and changing this drop-down to subject. Then we hit go. This search brings up all of the books that has kittens as a subject in their record. There are 95 results for this search, which is a lot of options. I want to find facts about kittens, so I'm going to narrow my search to only nonfiction items. To do this, I'm going to scroll down to where it says fiction/nonfiction in our filters. I'm going to click, and here we can see how many books are listed as fiction, in this case 64, other, in this case 18, and nonfiction, in this case 13. 13 is way better than 95 results, so I'm going to go ahead and click this link. When you are looking for nonfiction items, it is always better to find recent titles. This means that your information is up to date and will be more relevant to your topic. To do this, we will sort our results by newest first. Select the drop-down menu under Sort Results By and select Newest First. Now we will see the newest books with kittens as a subject that are nonfiction. This book, Kittens for Dummies 2019, looks really interesting. Let's click on the title and look at the record for more information. To find more books that are like this book, scroll down to More Like This. Here you will find titles that are related to this subject. You can also use the Subject section to see subjects that are related to this title. If you select one of the subjects, you will be taken to a new search showing results related to that subject. At this point, you can use the different filters to find the best result for your needs. For those who are using Fontes and Pinnell guided reading, you can also search for books by guided reading level. Let's say you would like books on level H. You will just type Guided Reading Level H in the search bar with quotation marks. Make sure that you are searching by keyword, and then hit Go. This will bring up books in our catalog that match this level. Please note that we may not have guided reading levels for all books. If you have any questions, please call us, email us, or chat us by going to aacpl.net/contact. If you would like to learn more, please visit aacpl.net/events for live e-learning opportunities.